fucking bankers, lenders, fucking just such a fuck. It's just all pointless, you know, but they control the way the fucking world accesses fucking resources is just bullshit. A bunch of people that don't actually fucking, like, in a resource-based economy, there's no bankers, zero fucking loaners, none of that shit. All of it's pointless. Waste of our fucking lives. This latest prudential lending, which, you know, who knows what the fuck. You call these fucking things online and you're talking to somebody with a fucking Irish accent with a fucking Texas phone number that passes you off to some fucking buddy in fucking Illinois or some shit. You know, and they got fucking, you know, pull your fucking credit. Oh, pull the credit right now. You know, they got no problem pulling your fucking credit immediately. Credit pull. And, oh yeah, you're approved. Yeah, you're approved. Approved. Well, it's Wednesday. I've been hearing I'm approved since fucking Monday. But meanwhile, I don't have a fucking backhoe. Where's my backhoe? I don't have a backhoe. It's Wednesday. And I haven't even signed a fucking piece of paper yet. As a matter of fact, the guy, at the end of his day yesterday, occurred to him that he needed a photo of my driver's license. Text to him immediately. And I text him with that shit like maybe half an hour after he asked for it. Then I get a call from the other guy and I say, yeah, I texted him, but I never got a confirmation that he got it. I sent him an email. Did you get the text? No confirmation. I'm like, this is fucking ridiculous. This guy's just fucking me around like the fucking IQ credit union did as well. But this guy's just straight up lying to me. Like, you're approved. Well, then where the fuck is the money? I'm not approved. That's why there's no fucking money. And the problem is IQ Credit Union fucked me around for 2 weeks, thus creating my fucking no time dilemma. So then I go to this other fucking company, I say, hey, I got no fucking time. And what the fuck do they fucking do? Oh, you're approved. So they just lie to me, figuring, you know, eventually he'll get his thing. Well, guess what, motherfuckers? I need my thing when I need my thing. I don't need my thing when you get around to coming up with the fucking money. Period. So fuck IQ Credit Union. Fuck Prudential Lending fucking out of Texas. Just fuck them. You know, and what really is annoying is I fucking called this rental place in town weeks ago and asked about a rental fucking backhoe. And they're just like, they didn't say it's fucking out right now. They said they didn't have one, or they didn't have anything like that, or something like that. Okay, fuck, I gotta buy one. Well, I just happened to end up at this rental place because they sell some shit there too. And there's a motherfucking backhoe sitting right in the front yard. And I'm just like, that's a fucking backhoe at the rental place that said they didn't fucking have one. So now I got options. So then I'm like, you know what? I'm not hearing anything from these fucking people about this loan. If I'm approved, where's the fucking doc sign shit? Because I just need to get this shit over with because the fucking place, so I just told them so I just don't have the time to be dicked around by a second fucking bank. This guy, and then like his message to me when I fucking was like, yeah, I sent him an email. I sent him one email saying, did you get the text? He didn't respond to that. Then I sent him another email saying, this took too long. I got a rent, and the rental fees is gonna fucking cost me more money, and all that more money I can't afford to buy a fucking backhoe now because I'm spending the money that is for the backhoe on the rental. Because I need it now. I don't need to wait any longer for some fucking banks and some fucking lenders to fucking dick me around. I'm so sick and tired of these fucking people and the way they operate. It's just, my fucking credit is perfect. I have zero shit on my fucking credit. I have zero debt. I have zero bad marks. My credit is, depending on what fucking service you look at, it goes all the way from 730 all the way up to 810. So I'm not quite sure how the fuck I can't just get whatever I want in 5 seconds. Why the fuck did I bend over backwards to make my credit so good if I can't get what I want in 5 fucking seconds? I need shit when I need shit, not when some fucking jackass banker gets around to fucking telling me I can fucking have it. So, all the people that get dicked around, I get dicked around, the fucking guys that own the tractor fucking shop, the salesman, the guy that's supposed to be delivering the fucking tractor. Now I have a whole barrel of fucking diesel fuel that I'm buying for what? I bought a fucking pump to pump the diesel fuel out of that fucking tank or out of the fucking drum into the fucking backhoe. You know, all this expenditure I've already done. Now maybe I'll use some more gas on one. Maybe I'll use that gas on the week that I have this thing rented. I just rented it for a week. It's fucking disgusting. This guy, his response to my email was basically to start fucking lying. Like, oh, I've had you approved for 3 days, but you haven't been in contact with me. Motherfucker, I have actually fucking talked to you already this week on the phone, sent you the text message, emails, so at that point, I was like, oh, this is a shady motherfucker. Of course he's a shady motherfucker. They're all shady motherfuckers because they don't do shit for a living. They don't contribute to society in the fucking least. Just because in this bastardized form of society that we're miserably fucking living existence currently has that shit, doesn't mean it's really a needed thing. It's not. And every single person involved in that fucking realm is useless. They're pointless humans. They're sucking off the real humans' fucking labor, the real people that do the real work, okay? And that's what we gotta change, because it's just fucked. Useless people. They would get a fucking splinter and probably sit there crying for hours. They wouldn't know what to do with themselves if they got a blister. If they smashed their finger and blood blisters blew out both sides, they wouldn't work for another fucking year. Let alone keep fucking working on. You know who I'm talking about, you suit-wearing motherfuckers. Useless as it gets. 100% useless. I don't give a fuck. The industries, banking, Wall Street, corrections, law, all that shit is sucking the fucking lifeblood out of the planet. It's disgusting. The arrangements, just fucking disgusting. Jump through all the fucking hoops, have all the fucking money. I mean, I had fucking money, 20% down payment, man. Got all the fucking cash, everything, yeah, fuck. I'm renting now. I'm not buying a fucking backhoe. Thanks to these fucking cunt bankers, okay? And when I do buy a backhoe, I'm just gonna buy the motherfucker cash and just not even deal with these fucking banks. Because seriously, fuck these fucking banks, lenders. It's just all a fucking fractional reserve banking is a fucking scam on every goddamn level. This whole thing with the backhoe has really taken me back to my old life, and just like how it's just affecting my day-to-day ability just to be happy. Just Like, up until this shit with this backhoe, I was just fucking happy and just like, this is a great adventure. And I'm just like, God, just every day it's just like exciting and awesome. And then I tried to get a backhoe on credit, which, you know what? I told myself I wasn't gonna do any more debt. That was my big thing, no more debt. And then I'm like, well, how the fuck do I get a backhoe? You know, figuring all these things, like I couldn't get a backhoe delivered out here. Well, I could get a backhoe delivered out here at a rental place. But the rental place. So, I'm just hoping I can get back, because this shit has stressed me out fucking so much that I'm a fucking stress ball again. I'm fucking yelling, I'm fucking stressed. It's like, fuck. And it's all because of this fucking backhoe. It's like, I have fucking given myself more than enough time to get a fucking backhoe if these cocksucking fucking banks weren't just fucking pieces of shit. And it's just made my fucking life a miserable hell, just like it was up until I bought this fucking property. When I bought this property, little before, things were really fucking getting enjoyable, okay? So I see now what fucking makes my life miserable. What makes my life miserable is fucking debt. That's what stresses me out. That's what makes me pissed off. Trying to get debt, trying to pay fucking debt, just like any fucking shit to do with that shit is just fucks me, where I can't be a normal person that just can just, you know, whatever little things. No, little things now are just fucking driving me insane, and I'm just fucking pissed off, and I'm just on the edge, and I'm just chewing my fingernails, and it's 100% because these fucking assholes at the bank. It's just fucking ridiculous. And now I got a backhoe on the fucking way, right fucking now. Now I have to fucking scramble my ass off to get this fucking work done in time. I set myself up with more than enough time to get this stuff on a timeline that I wouldn't have to be stressed out about it. But no, I didn't set myself on a good enough timeline when you're gonna deal with the fucking banks, okay? So, you know, it's just killing me to think this whole entire nightmare that I've been living all could have been avoided if that fucking asshole at the fucking rental place that I called wouldn't have made it sound like there was no backhoes to be had at all ever. No, that they just wasn't in right then. Fuck. And that sent me down, because the fucking $1,050, or no, about $1,250 or something, it'll end up being maybe $1,500 for a week or something like that, with gas, maybe some more. Okay, and I use it. That's fucking like 2 months payments for fucking 1 week's use. But I use it for a week, and then I'm done with it. Make some more plans. That's how I'm gonna have to deal with it now. If I just had a backhoe, I would just be fucking doing all this shit. I mean, I would just be going to town on backhoe shit. You know, like, after I get this shipping container bullshit dealt with, the very next fucking thing I have to do, start setting up a fucking place to actually be like living up there, right? And in my own opinion, personally, like, I want to have a fucking sewage treatment plant, like, right from the start. I might get out there and whatever for a hot second, but I mean, literally setting that thing up first. Well, it has to stay warm. It can't freeze. That means it's gonna have to go underground in some kind of earth-sheltered structure. Holy cow. So, that is a fucking backhoe there, you know? And so, the deal is now I'm gonna piss away the 2 months worth of fucking rent on 1 week of fucking usage of a backhoe just to get this shit done, because the alternative would be to continue to fuck around with the banks and then eventually get a backhoe too late to fucking have the work done that I need to do for the shipping containers, then that would been, okay, now I'm got to put the shipping containers in a whole other place so I can get the place where they go ready, and then I have to call the machine back. That's going to be a couple grand right there. I mean, once that shit kicks in and I lose, and which is already has, I mean, I'm already completely fucking lost the ability to to own a backhoe and get the work done to have the shipping containers delivered. I have 100% lost that ability. I've been fucking incurred that setback by these banks. So, you know, what am I gonna do? These banks just fucked me out of thousands of dollars, dragging their fucking feet, dinking me a fucking round, fucking blowing smoke up my ass. Oh, you're approved, you're approved. Yeah, where's the fucking backhoe then? I don't see a backhoe. I just lose money, period. One way or the other, I just lost money. So now I'm at this fucking position where I have to do all this other work with backhoes, right? And that is fucking like every week I gotta rent a backhoe. It's gonna be 2 months worth of a backhoe payment. I mean, I'm just totally getting fucked here. Probably what I'm gonna have to do is, because I can't just piss money away. I just can't. I could pay the fucking payment, the fucking $800 a month. I could have paid it more or less indefinitely, probably with no problems. But I gotta get the work done. I'm not, you know. So I don't want to trash twice as much land to set the shipping containers aside. Like, it's just a fucked situation. It's completely fucked. Completely fucked and out of my fucking control. But it's into my control now. I have 1 week to get this work done before the shipping containers start to show up. Now, when it costs me, it probably only costs me like a few hundred extra dollars if I'm like, I should be able to fucking have this shit done in a week. But it's a bunch of shit that I've never fucking done. So, you know, in my head, I'm like, yeah, I can get it done, but I don't have any reference. So we will see. At the fucking point of the matter, that this whole point is my stress level right now, right? And I've been trying to live this whole entire new way of life where I'm not stressed out by debt, where I'm not stressed out by fucking deadlines, where I'm not stressed out by all this other shit, where I just work on stuff and get it done. Well, this is the one fucking deadline that I have, other than like some weather stuff, you know, like that is not even comparable. So, you know, I'm just so pissed off, and I don't want to be pissed off anymore. And this is the whole thing, like living a lifestyle where shit like this like where fucking banks aren't in my life at all. Like an ATM, use the card, the money's in the bank, that kind of shit. Who gives a fuck? But not like going to banks to get fucking home loans and loans for this and loans for that. Like, fuck all that shit. Like, you know what disgusts me is just having to save receipts. Like, just this paperwork, this nightmare of the environment, all for tracking, so you make sure you pay every little fucking thing. It's just all disgusting. I just want a life where I'm not fucking pissed off every single day, all day. And you know, I totally identified that, what was pissing me off in my life, what was stressing me out in ways that I had no control over, and I just got rid of them. I wonder what button it is I always hit when I miss the fucking play button. I'm trying to get in the light. There's some Halloween looking shit. Backhoe got delivered, and I got work done. Funny how that is, huh? They have fucking jackasses that fucking IQ Bank call up, oh, we got your money ready. Yeah, I got the fucking rental. Fuck you. Fucking cost me so much fucking extra money, you fucking jackasses. Where the lady that fucking wanted ass sent me to the fucking branch. That fucking bitch. I wish I knew who the fuck her name was. I bet I could figure it out. Cause that fucking bitch is the one that fucking caused all this shit. Cause I straight up fucking told her I didn't have any fucking time to mess around. And she go, oh, well it needs to start by going, oh, so shit can really happen fast then. I just have, oh yeah, yeah. Oh, okay, you lying fucking cunt. No, shit ain't happening fast, you fucking bitch. Fuck you. Fucking cunt ass fucking bitch. Just because, what is the fuck, why can't you tell the truth? Why can't you just say, oh no, we're not capable of doing a motherfucking thing fast. We don't do anything. If you need something done fast, go anywhere but us. That's what the fuck it should have been. But no, she's a lie. And you know what? Somebody that lies to me and fucks my whole shit up, they are cunts and bitches, and I don't give a fuck if you don't like my language. Fuck them. Fuck her. Okay? A bunch of fucking jackasses that just don't give a fuck. No, we're not capable of doing things fast is what I fucking, when I called that place and I asked those questions specifically about how long this shit was gonna take, she should have been fucking honest to me, but she wasn't. And guess what? If you're a liar, you're a cunt. If you're a liar, you're a bitch. Period. I don't give a fuck. Stop fucking lying. I don't give a fuck about the goddamn reason. Capitalism is fucking not the goddamn, oh, well, we were just trying to make the sale. We were just trying to make the loan. Yeah, by lying to me and telling me something could happen faster than it really could. Fuck you! IQ Credit Union. Fuck you.